recording this video just to show how you can get answers to the assessment. So there are many ways to get that. The first one that I would still recommend is to go to the online center, and from the online center, if you try to pick up yours, so in this case I'm going to pick up something from the test library, grade 6, and then I would go to the diagnostic here, and with this diagnostic I am going to use this print. So so this is where I can actually print, and that will take me to save that as a PDF. So once the print window opens, I can select PDF and save that. Now there's another way of doing it, which is actually clicking on the placement test. And with this print option, of course, I can do any editing here, but with this print option, you can see that there are answer keys here that can be that can show you the the correct answers for each of the questions. So this will give me actually the answer key. So I can download that and I will get the answer keys in the same way. Now, there is another way of looking at this, and it is a more in a more analytic way. So I can go to the resource library, and from the resource library, I would look for assessments, and under assessments, I can see the placement and diagnostic here. And in this placement and diagnostic, which is available, the handbook is actually available on maybe the next page. This placement and diagnostic handbook has all the marking schemes of all the assessments that have been suggested in the diagnostic test. So I can just go to my I'm scrolling down so that I can catch the grade 6 if I'm looking for grade 6, and I can uh, see the diagnostics, and I can see all the teacher guidance for that. This is a 337 a booklet which has everything to do with each of the grades. The other approach that I may look for is the printable assessment. So I can go to printable assessments here, and I can see actually all of the assessments that I want. So for example, this screening and placement and diagnostic will give me all the marking schemes, all the handbooks that has to do with any of the diagnostics that so you can see spelling is there, vocabulary is there, informal reading. These handbooks has all the marking schemes and all the rubrics for dealing with these assessments. So let's see if this can help. You can see here the running records are there, the benchmark, and the weekly formative assessments as well. I hope that can be